Today we're checking out a product and we're cleaning an interior, and we're talking about really cleaning an interior, giving it a deep clean to where it is truly clean. And the level of clean I'm talking about is using a product and a process with a product like Mild Deep Refresh, which is their antiviral and antibacterial cleaner. So when you're cleaning with a product like this, you're actually doing something to the surface and really deep cleaning. Now, we're not even talking about getting in all the nooks and crannies or being real OCD detailing. We're talking about just giving everything a good thorough clean so that you have the peace of mind that your vehicle, your steering wheel, your high touch point areas are actually clean, disinfected, it's refreshed. That's gonna handle even a lot of odors in the vehicle. It's just truly cleaning that surface. So whether it's your mom mobile, whether it's your work vehicle, those vehicles are truly deep cleaned, and you know and have that peace of mind that you did a great job of disinfecting and actually cleaning your vehicle. So Mild Deep Refresh, they came up with this formula about 2020 when antiviral was a pretty big thing. And it's kind of been a slept on product ever since. And on the back, it has a lot of claims of what it can kill, including bacteria, fungi, yeast, algae, and enveloped viruses, including that virus that you're not allowed to say on YouTube. I don't know if that's a thing anymore, but I'm just gonna not take no chances because they like to demonetize stuff. So this is a real deal cleaner. It's very easy to use. Doesn't have a powerful scent or nothing. It actually almost smells like nothing. And today we're gonna pair it up with our Scrub Ninja. Like I did here, I just gave it a couple squirts, and then you just massage into the area, especially the steering wheel. You're gonna wanna get a Scrub Ninja type of product. Just massage it all over, getting the nooks and crannies. Go ahead and get the whole steering wheel, even the buttons. Scrub Ninja does a pretty good job of getting in nooks and crannies and stuff. And look at that. Psst. Pretty dirty steering wheel. We're gonna take our edge towel. I'm gonna give it another spritz. And we're gonna give it a thorough wipe down. And look at that, it removed. Steering wheel's already looking a lot better. Going from a shiny, dirty, greasy, grimy steering wheel to a now matte and actually deep cleaned steering wheel, disinfected, all that good stuff and more, using a product like Refresh. So let's fold our edge towel. Look at that, still pulled stuff off the steering wheel even after scrubbing it with the Scrub Ninja. We're gonna give it a couple spritzes. We're gonna knock out the dash. And we're kind of gonna wipe down just the whole area, the dashboard, the buttons, give it a good wipe down. But where we're really gonna focus is our high touch point areas. So got the little push to start button. That's a high touch point area. Now we're gonna use our soft Thor brush. I'll spray a little cleaner in there. We're gonna give it a good agitation around that button. Take our edge towel, mop that up. Let's get you in here and clean this shifter. So again, another high touch point area. If you wanna really make sure it's disinfected, you're gonna lightly spritz. And when it comes to antibacterial and that kind of deal, the longer it sets, the more clean it's gonna get it. So then we take our Scrub Ninja after a short dwell time, and we start to agitate that surface. Now we take our edge towel and we just mop up that solution. Again, thoroughly cleaning, and now disinfected that high touch point area. The next obvious high touch point area is definitely the driver's side, but any door panel. So you're gonna wanna make sure you do a good job there. We're gonna use a combination of our scrub pad to handle the majority of the flat areas. Then we just take our brush and massage the cleaner into our area. So I'm gonna lightly spritz on some areas of the door, just so we can go ahead and start working. And I'm gonna take our Scrub Ninja, and we are just going to give all the flat areas good scrub. And again, I only spritzed on the door because I want that antibacterial property of this cleaner to go ahead and start doing its job. I didn't spray it on buttons or anything. But the armrest area, go ahead and lightly spritz on, let it start doing its thing, breaking down, killing anything that might be on that surface. Now that we've gave the whole door card a good scrub, we take our brush again, spritz into our brush. Now we can get in here, massage it around the buttons, behind the door handle, behind these buttons, under this door handle, all the nooks and crannies. I want to make sure we get in there. Take an edge towel and mop up that solution. And boom, you can see even it's real hot right now, so no side effects. Sometimes you spray cleaners on, you'll see kind of drip stains. You don't want to do it with every cleaner, but this one just does an excellent job, not damaging anything, real gentle. But you're getting that deep effective clean of the antiviral properties of refresh. So now that we've done refresh, what do you do after you clean? Maybe you want it to look a little shiny, you want to add a nice scent back to the interior. Well, Mile Deep got something for you. Let's check it out. The second hidden gem of the Mile Deep line, I've been loving this. It's Elevate. It is the interior trim dressing. It smells phenomenal. And what we're gonna do is a couple light spritz into our towel. It smells amazing. I love the smell. We're gonna try and get a good 50-50 here of our door card and our leather. And you just massage Elevate in, and it does such a good job. Easy to spread, smells amazing. And I just like to massage it in. Flip our towel. Now we just come back and smooth and Elevate out. And it doesn't leave the biggest sheen, but you can see already in the camera it's leaving a really nice darkening effect to the plastic. Smells amazing. I keep saying it, but it just smells amazing. So let's get you in here and look at the difference here. Look at that. This leaves a beautiful, nice sheen, good clean finish, beautiful sheen on all your plastics around your interior. So now we just take that towel, we're going to massage this over the whole surface of the door. Take your time. You disinfect it. You know this interior's clean. Clean, clean. Now we condition with Elevate. Make sure we transition our 50-50 blended in. That would look funny. I like to flip my towel. Now we just buff that surface to a beautiful finish. Boom. So I just wanted to show this combo of the Mile Deep line, underrated line in the House of Rags. And this is two of their most underrated products. Don't get talked about a lot. But Refresh, this is I've been using this a lot lately, and I've been using a lot, especially of Elevate. Just an amazing interior trim dressing. But if you're looking for that deep clean, whether how meticulous you want to get with it or not, pair it up with your Scrub Ninja, a brush from Thor, a microfiber towel, wipe down. Just know anything this touches, it's going to be doing a seriously good job cleaning. It's antiviral and antibacterial properties. And even on the back, it says, an active deep cleaning colorant and aldehyde free formula. It's easy to use, friendly on sensitive materials. So that you saw me use it on the leather, on the steering wheel, on buttons and stuff. So super safe formula, but you're gonna get that real cleaning ability from it, that disinfectant properties, all that good stuff. Doesn't have that like hospital cleaner smell either. So it really almost has no smell. So really deep hidden gem in my opinion from the Mile Deep brand. So if you want to get Mile Deep in that interior, there you go. That's the combo. Refresh, Elevate. I'm telling you, check these two out. There you go. That's my interior video for today. It's hot. I'm gonna bust out the rest of this interior. See ya.